Alright guys, working on the country sedan 66 wagon. Did an inspection on it. I'm gonna start on the right rear. Obviously we can use some fresh shocks. Speak Nick. Bushings are all shot. Control arms for the rear, bushings could be replaced. It's a little crusty, little guy, but didn't see a lot of rot underneath. Floor pan looks really nice. Rails coming back, nice. Drums on the back, nice pad left. Didn't really see any cracks. Somebody replaced the wheel cylinders at one point. Nice and clean. No weird clunks in the bearing or anything. Panhard bushings need to be replaced. Upper bushings need to be replaced. Maybe the metal line going across the axle, because it's mighty crusty, could be replaced. Exhaust, nice and crusty. No major holes. Did see a little bit of rot lower back panel. Not too bad. Seen worse. Same with the left rear shocks. Recommendation definitely panel bar bushings. These pads look good. No leaks. No weird clunks in the rear end. Great. Like I said, frame surface rust, but not bad at all. Now, diff, let's get in here. Oops, let's get some light. No real leaks around there. Got wetness here, probably from the front seal there. U-joints, oops, see if I can. Feel good. Grease them up, make them nice. Here's rubber line. See, oh, there's a little seepage that's been going on there for a little bit, so we definitely recommend replacing that. Let's see. Just a little dirty. Vent tube looks decent. I don't see any crack splits. Anything. Again. Floor looks good. Might be missing. Oh no, there's a cap there. Never mind. I thought there was a fuel line. Not too bad. Transmission. Pan gasket. Definitely leaking. Transmission mount. Got cracks in it. Old. Dirty. No leaks from where the speedo cable goes. Looks really good. Not too bad. That's the railing. Nice and solid. Not too bad. Fuel tank. Surface rust. No holes. No rot. Floor pan from the back. Nice and clean. Exhaust. Like I said, new shocks, panhard bushings, upper and lower links holding the rear end in, bushings. Alright guys, go right back to you. Get the fronts going. Front end inspection.